I do believe that Dr. Spoon is a one-man show and does all the work himself, and he is the only one in this area that does that.
Dr. Spoon always explains my treatment thoroughly and answers any questions I have.
I've always been apprehensive about dental work, so Dr. Spoon will talk me through the whole office visit just to get my mind off of it, and I'll even throw in a few jokes.
Since having braces, it's easier for me to smile in front of others.
The staff is very welcoming. It makes me feel comfortable enough to be here on my own. Every time I've been here, I've been greeted and treated promptly. Here, I am treated like family. They really genuinely care about me.
Getting braces definitely changed a lot about my attitude. My self-esteem went up. I found myself smiling all the time. When I got my braces off originally, nobody even noticed that I had them off. They just noticed that my whole attitude was great and I was smiling. And some people even asked me, what was I up to, because they couldn't knock the grin off my face. It's definitely life-changing.